I'm Agustina Iwansari.
I'm Eka Miliana.
I am Siti Aisyah.
And I'm Wayubri.
Today we will make dessert and beverage from Venezuela for our restaurant,
The Los Caballeros!
Hello guys, today we will share for banana, 2 egg white, 2 egg yolk, 25 grams dark chocolate, 100 grams flour, sugar, half teaspoon cinnamon powder, half teaspoon baking powder, yogurt, 1 tablespoon honey,
Separate the egg yolk from the egg white. First, put egg yolk, baking powder, cinnamon powder, yogurt drink. Stir until all ingredients are mixed. Beat the egg white at high speed until they are slightly foamy. After a little foaming, enter the sugar little by little until the mixture becomes stiff. Mix the egg white dough with the egg yolk dough. To ripen the dough, heat the pan over low heat and separate the pan with butter. Pour pancake dough on the surface of the pan. Close the pan. Flip the side of the pancake dough. And then close the pan again. After the pancakes are cooked, place the pancake on a plate and garnish according to your taste. ready to be served.
I will show you how to make it. Prepare a glass, then we have to do first. Pour the green syrup into the glass. Then put some ice cubes. Pour passion fruit. And give crushed mint leaf. And the last, pour soda water and garnish using mint leaf.
Tips on making green yellow passion fruit. Choose fresh passion fruit the right level of maturity. Use fresh mint leaf. Choose the green syrup of your taste. Use soda without flavor. This drink can be enjoyed with your friends and family. You can order this drink at our restaurant De Los Caballeros. Okay, this is dessert and beverage from our restaurant.
Gracias!